Hey guys, welcome to my little home on YouTube. Today I have a video for you on something that I don't do very often on my channel, but I have done it in the past, is this full-on glam look with this green eyeshadow that I've got on. For this look, I did go in with the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette, the MAC Loose Pigment, as well as the Sephora kind of green glitter. Yeah, so if you want to see how I got this look, then please keep watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's just right down there. Just have to click it, and follow me on all social media at CanBeReal, and let's just get right into the video. Alright guys, so we're gonna start off by prepping our eyes with the MAC Painterly Paint Pot on both eyes. And then I just go over it with a little bit of powder, and then I'm going in with the Jaclyn Hill Creamsicle and Butter, and then I start adding in the green. It's the MAC Loose Powder Pigment in Antique Green, and I just keep doing that to add and build up the color on the edge, and I'm starting to go slowly and blending it and slowly and blending it. This takes me quite some time as I'm continuously adding all that color through the eyes and all the way in, and then as I do build that color, and while I'm kind of building it, I'm starting to wing it out. I just used a straight edge to kind of wing it out and bring the green a little bit further out towards the edges. Then here I did spray my shader brush with some water, and I added Jada from the Jaclyn Hill palette just to add a little bit of glitz and glam. On top of that though, like as I'm blending it through, on top of that I added some glue. It's the Too Faced glitter glue, and I went in with the Sephora glitter. It came in a package. It's the number 2 one. It's in green and it's absolutely beautiful. I'm just slowly patting it in to the eye area all along up to the crease. And as I'm doing that, I'm bringing the green back in to just kind of mesh it and blend it all together so it looks like it all goes in together, if that makes any sense at all. And then I just started using Creamsicle again and started blending it on the edges. Now I'm just starting to prep the face with my moisturizers, the Caudalie Resveratrol, and then I did go under the eyes with the It Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye Cream, I believe it is. And now I'm just putting on some Murad primer on the rest of the face. And then as soon as I'm done that, I started going in with the foundation, which is the Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Matte Foundation in Suntan. And then I'm doing my concealer, which is the Too Faced Natural Beige Born This Way concealer, and I did do that on the bridge of the nose, under the eyes, on the forehead, and I blended it out with my Sonia Kashuk brush. And now I'm just kind of going through with not a beauty blender, just a sponge that I got from Marshall's, and adding some MAC Fix Plus powder on top of that, just to make sure it doesn't crease. It's in NC40. And now I'm just contouring this my face with the Fenty Beauty bronzer, and I do use the same for the nose area. This one I use in Coconutty. It's the darkest shade I believe that they have. And here I go with just doing the nose as well. Just a small little clearance brush that I have. I think I already did my eyebrows off camera, and now I'm just adding a little bit of bronzer, the Clarins bronzer Soleil it's called, and I also added the MAC in Gingerly, the blush. And then I just go under the eyes with my Hourglass eyeliner, and I'm adding a little bit of powder. I believe it's the Clarins loose powder, just so when I do my mascara as well, it doesn't, or no fallout comes down when I'm doing the eyes as well underneath. So here I'm just adding some of the same color shades to the underneath the eyes, and I'm just gonna curl my lashes. And I did add in the Sephora hipster lashes, and I did that off camera. Then when I'm taking the powder off, I usually like to just take my sponge and press it right into the skin. I feel like sometimes it looks a little bit more flawless that way. Here I just started to use my Studio Fix powder again, and I just kind of cleaned out the edge of the wing that I kind of have going out there with the eyeshadow. And then I just go in with the highlighter, which is the Dior, the golden highlighter that they have just on the cheekbones. And then I do it on the Cupid's bow, as well as the bridge of the nose, and in the tear duct as well. I also bring the same highlighter on me underneath the eyebrows, just so it looks a little bit more cohesive, the same color kind of going all the way through as the highlighter. And then I do my lips at the end, which I'm using the Urban Decay Carnival lips lipstick, and then I go in with the Anastasia lip gloss after, in the lip gloss in Freya it's called. It's an absolutely beautiful color. Well, there you go. I hope you liked the final results. Let's get a little close up right there. Nice green, nice fall colors with glitter. If you do want to see more videos like this, then do comment below. Let me know. I would love to do more videos like this. I have a lot of fun doing it. It brings out a little bit more of my creative side. But yeah, anyways, that's all I have for you now. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on all social media at CanBeReal, and I will see you guys all in my next one.